Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a fillable text field read only. Open your fillable PDF form. I'll make this text field read only. Now select Tools option and select Prepare Form option and click on this field or double click on this field and open Properties. Now select General option. Here we will find this read only option. Now simply select read only and close and preview. You cannot type text or edit text. You cannot remove this text. Also, you cannot type new text. This field. This text already make read only and flattened. Also, we can type this field. Now I'll make this field read only. Click on this field and click right button for properties and go general option and select here read only and close and preview and see this field also read only and flattened and this field not flattened. You can remove this field text and type new text. Yeah, in this way you can make all of this field read only after typing text or fill out. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.